welcome back to my channel, or if you're new then hi, welcome to my channel. So today we have a haul. We have like a swimwear slash lingerie haul, underwear. So I'm working with Adore Me on this video. This video isn't sponsored, but the items in this video are kindly gifted. So I've worked with Adore Me before. They're a US company, so I think they originate from like New York. I wanted to work with this brand because I want to like venture out and obviously trying different brands and different companies, not just from the UK but from like, you know, all over and stuff. And I know that obviously sometimes when you do order from abroad and you order from like America and stuff, you can get hit by custom charges, but you know, we have like Boohoo and Pretty Little Thing and all that, and we ship over to them. So I thought, why not try an American company underwear brand in the UK? So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be trying them on and showing you guys what they're like and talking to you about the quality and all that kind of stuff. So before we get into today's video, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it as well. So I think I'll start off with the underwear and then we'll go on to the swimwear. So yeah, I think in total there's about $300 worth of products here, so there's a lot to get through. When I was picking the items on their website, they have so many different options to choose from. Not just cater for slim petite women, they also cater for curvy busty women as well. So I think they have like a really big range of cup size and back sizes and things, so they can go from really small to really, really big. When I was on the website picking what kind of sets I wanted, I mean, they've got some really gorgeous, like really sexy like lingerie stuff, but I kind of went for basic, a bit basic but a little bit sexy, like not just boring plain basic like underwear sets, like, you know, just like black or whatever. So they've all got a little bit of like lace, but they're not too sexy, but they're nice, do you know what I mean? And I didn't order any like thongs or anything like that, just because I do wear them, just not often. I'm more of a big pants girl now, I'm a mum. Yes, I'm going to be showing you my huge pants on YouTube. So yeah, so the first set, this is the bra. Now this is probably more of a basic like t-shirt bra. So this is the first set, so this is the bra, and I just thought this was really nice because it just looked really comfortable and it feels really nice, the material, and just like sometimes you just want to wear like a nice comfortable basic bra. So that's what I went for with this set, and it's like a really nice blue colour, like a, not turquoise but like a sky blue, like a really nice baby blue. So yeah, I got all my bras in a size 38D. I just thought, yeah, it was a really nice, cute, simple, basic t-shirt bra. So to go with that, obviously you get the underwear, so you can choose from, I think it's like hipsters, like what do we call them, like French knickers, briefs, bikini, or like a thong. I just went for, I don't really know what you would call it, it doesn't actually say, I don't think. Hip. Okay, so these are more like a hipster. Now obviously because it's an American brand, the sizing is very different, so I think I ordered a 1XL, which, yeah, a 1X, which I believe in the UK is a 14 to 16 or 16 to 18. So these are the knickers that I chose to go with the bra, and I just, yeah, I thought they were really nice, comfortable, like big knickers, you know, like they're the sorts of underwear that I just prefer to wear. So I went with those, and yeah, they go together, and I just thought they were really nice. This one is so nice, guys. Again, super comfortable, really nice. It's got loads of support there, just feels really comfortable. And this is just like one of those really nice basic sets, like a nice t-shirt bra set, but just not plain, you know, it's got a little bit of something going on. Now the second set that I chose, this is more of like, okay, I would guess it's like a lingerie but sexy. It's more risque, I don't know, but it's just this bra, this gorgeous black and nude bra. Now it's a little bit padded but not too much padding, which I loved. And what I loved about this bra set was I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's got like these little straps here that obviously go over your boob. I just thought that was nice and a bit different, and you know, I mean, obviously being a mum, I'm not really like fussed on wearing skimpy, sexy lingerie anymore. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel a bit sorry for James, but sometimes I will, but I just like to be comfortable nowadays. But yeah, I just thought this was really nice. But it's a nice bra. It's like I say, it looks quite sexy and it looks really nice. So yeah, I got that one. And then the pants that I chose, again, just like a French style hipster pants, it's just these. So yeah, and it's got the same again, little strap detailing there on the front, and the same as the bra. So yeah, I thought that was really, really nice, and I really like those. Okay guys, this one I love. I feel like this one's one of the most, it's like one of the most obviously really sexy pieces out of the whole haul. But this is the little elasticate straps I was telling you about, which just looks so sexy. And yeah, the knickers are just really nice. This is a really nice, labels sticking out. This is a really nice set. So yeah, I was a little bit daunted obviously by like the fact that all the knickers are very big, like a nice just hipster style, bikini style, but that's sort of what I want. And you know, I like wearing a big pants, but why not wear a big pants that are a little bit on the nicer side, a bit sexy, rather than just plain boring black knickers. So now this is a cute little set. I think this is probably my favourite one. I just really like it. It's something a little bit different. Probably not for everyday wear, just because I don't know, would that get a bit irritating? But yeah, it's a really nice, gorgeous little set. So the next set that I chose, I guess it's quite similar to that. It's a little bit different. It's not got no padding in whatsoever. I really like the look of this on the website because it just looks, I don't know, it just looks really nice, comfortable. And I'm not really a person to wear bras for bed, but I guess this could be something you could wear for bed because it's got no padding in and it just looks really nice. So it's a gorgeous black bra and it's slightly longer under the boob, so the detailing is really, really gorgeous, really, really pretty. And I just thought that would be really nice. Like, again, it's not too like sexy, like risque. It's not like what's the word I'm looking for, like really raunchy underwear, but it's just really nice, gorgeous, cute, with a little bit of sass lingerie, and I thought that was really nice. So then the underwear to match that, pretty similar to the other set really. Again, these gorgeous cute little lace pants. Again, love the detailing on the top to match the bra, but these are gorgeous, obviously like a little mesh material at the back as well. So you know, if you just fancy being a bit sexy, then yeah, got those. So this is the black set. It's again so comfortable, just a tad bit small around my bust. I do think I need to go up a cup size in this. Yeah, I think the double D is just not, it just doesn't really fit. But it's super comfortable. Again, underwear, same, super comfortable. And it's just a really nice, pretty set. Like, it's not too raunchy. It's just, you know, it's got a little bit of sexiness and add a bit of confidence into your underwear drawer. And then I saw that they did it in other colours, so I had to get it in the grey also. So I got it in the grey and I thought that was just really, really nice. Again, same design and just no padding. Like I said, before I had Harrison, I probably would never have wore a bra like this. I would always have to wear some sort of padding because I didn't have much of a bust. But now I'm a mum and I do have a large bust after being pregnant. I'm okay, I can wear bras like this. So yeah, that's the bra, and then obviously again with the underwear, the knickers to match. Oh, the knickers to match, so that's those. And the reason why I go for this sort of style pant knicker is because I like to have it, I don't like to have anything under my stomach because it just gets really irritating on my C-section scar. So I like to have my belly tucked in, which is why I go for like these sort of like big pants, but they're not granny knickers, are they? They're cute and like, you know, a really nice knicker, so I thought they were cute. But yeah, so this is the grey set. It's really nice. I love it. It feels super comfortable around the bust area and it just feels really nice and secure, supported, and yeah, the knickers are really nice as well, although they're obviously mesh material at the back, so they're quite see-through. So yeah, they're lovely, comfortable, but I do feel like it is slightly too small for me, so I am going to need a bigger cup size. Now on to the favourite part of this haul, because these are just gorgeous. So then I chose some swimwear because even though we are in lockdown, the summer's coming and fingers crossed by the summer, like July, August time, we'll be able to go out again and go like swimming or whatever, on holidays, weekends away, whatever. I thought I need some new swimwear, so I'm gonna pick some swimwear. So the first thing I got was this costume. Absolutely love this gorgeous leopard print. I love the bar detail there, just near the bust. I thought it was gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and it's not one of those costumes where it will show like a lot of bum, like really high. So it's full bum coverage, but it is quite high leg at the front though. But I just really love this. I thought it was really nice, and figure hugging, I just thought it was really nice. So I got that one and I really loved it. So yeah, I got all of these again in a 1X, which I think is like 16 to 18, so I loved that one. So leopard print costume, oh my god guys, this is so nice, and for someone who's really big busted, wearing costumes and things like this can be really daunting because you don't want to, well, I don't feel comfortable having so much boob on show, especially when I'm on holiday, but this has lifted and supported my boobs so much, and I don't have the most pert boobs in the world, especially now I'm a mum, after breastfeeding and stuff, so, you know, so yeah, I just feel so nice. It's so comfortable again, and I love the detail of this little bar here. It just gives it that little bit of extra, like, I don't know, it's a bit of sexiness to it, so yeah, it's comfortable, and yeah, it's another really nice costume. So then I chose a bikini. I chose this gorgeous black bikini. I just loved the way it looked. So this is the top. I love the detail just there at the front. So then I loved the back as well. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got two straps. I just thought that was really, really nice. And the pants, these gorgeous black high-waisted bottoms to go with it. Again, I chose these. I don't own really any like high-waisted bikinis, but I just thought for a change I might just try a high-waisted bikini and see what they're like. I don't hate my belly, but I don't love it, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm comfortable with my belly. Like, I don't mind getting out on holiday. Like, it doesn't bother me, but sometimes it's nice to just have it tucked in. So yeah, those are the bottoms to go with those. So we are now on to the bikini, the high-waisted bikini. Again, I just love it. I'm obsessed. Like, I've never owned any swimwear, like even Primark swimwear, right guys? I love Primark, don't get me wrong, and their swimwear is really nice, but I think because this is more, it's a bit more on the pricey side, it's a really nice luxurious brand, and you basically get what you pay for, really. This is just fab. It's really good quality. It's fitted. Yeah, I again would feel so nice going on holiday. I wouldn't feel like, I would feel, you know, I'd feel really confident. I wouldn't feel like fat or just, you know. So yes, I am happy. I love it. So then the next thing I chose was the costume. So again, this is pretty similar to the bikini. So it's got like the detail in there. And what I really love about this costume, is it has a little strap at the back, but it doesn't have just one loop. It has like 4, if you can see that, like 4 different loops. So You can have it on the first one, you could probably have it on the last one if you wanted, so you could have it a little bit tighter, I guess, which I thought was really, I've never seen that before on any sort of like costume or bikini. But then again, it'll probably poke out, but yeah, I mean, I guess you can have it on either one and it'll be, you know, different. But I just love that, and it's got like an open back as well, so yeah, I loved that. So that sort of costume that's nice, it looks like it's gonna hide all your lumps and bumps, it's figure hugging, and it just looks really nice where it's going to taper you in at the waist. So yeah, I chose that one. This is probably one of the nicest swimsuits I've ever worn, owned. It is so flattering. I feel so slim. So slimming in it, because it just feels like it's pulling me in all the right places, and I don't feel frumpy. I just feel really good. I love the back. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so nice, and again, really nice supported, loads of support there, and it's got a little bit of padding as well. If you could take that out, I suppose, if you wanted. But guys, I love this. It feels so comfortable, and I would feel so confident just walking around the beach in this. Honestly, it's a really nice costume, and I love it. So that was everything in my Adore Me haul. That was everything that I chose. I didn't want to choose like underwear that was too sexy and revealing, only because obviously I am doing a YouTube video and I don't want to be wearing like really skimpy thongs and bikini whatever on YouTube. So I kind of just went for more sensible but sexy style underwear that us mums can wear and feel sexy in. So that's what I went with, and that's why I chose the pieces that I chose. But I hope you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.